Hina, thank you for joining. I'll just drop the call for 15 minutes. Okay. Meanwhile, I'll give you the requirement. You just complete. Okay.
Okay.
I'll give you one task. Yeah. And I want everybody to try because I'm a little occupied today. But I'll take that because learning is important thing, right? Okay. Uh, And Shubham, I'll give you a little more background about this. Yesterday I called you. Maybe you were not available yesterday. So what I do after this call, I'll connect with you. I'll explain what exactly Flow does. You ever work on Salesforce? That's the first time you're working on Salesforce.
Yes, I'm first time working on Salesforce.
Okay, no worries. I'll explain it. I'll connect with you. Don't worry. If I'm not able to explain today, I'll definitely do the huddle.
There is
Sorry,
network.
that.
That's
Yeah.
why I haven't joined the session.
No, no problem. I'll just explain you everything after this call. Okay. I'll just
Okay, thank you, sir.
start it from the basic once we're done with this call. Got it? Okay. So let me explain for the people, senior people. Okay. So this is the flow we yesterday created and what I did in the flow and what mistakes I did. I'll explain. Let it open. That's the number of contact flow. Yesterday I worked on it, remember? And what exactly I did on that. Let it open first of all. Hmm. Hmm. So in the prior steps which I was trying, I was getting that get record from account object, which is not correct. Okay. So this thing, you know that this I already done that. Previously I using a record is created. Now I make it a record is created or updated. Whenever the record is created or updated, it will update the number of contact. It's on the business scenario, it's not correct, but yeah, this way it is. Okay. A record is
Okay.
created or updated. You can put anything. I kept it. A record is updated or that will not bring any impact. Okay. And this is the thing I did. Till here, everything is clear.
Yeah.
Just one yes is enough for me. Yeah. Now that's the get record. Here I choose the object contact. In the previous steps I was trying account, which is not correct over here, right? Here it should select as a contact, correct? Now here I just take in the account id. Similarly record dot account id. Okay. From contact there's a field called account id and record id, account id. Okay. All record because it acts like a collection variable. It will store more than one contact right at a time, and it will store all feeds automatically. Click on the done. Now here the catch: assignment operators, assignment variable. Here we check in that increment contact count. So what I did here, if you see number of contact I created, basically it's the normal variable of number type. If you see here, if I'm going faster, please let me know. Am I too fast? Should I become slow or is it okay? Guys, just one
Yeah.
yes is it's okay. I'm with the normal
Yeah.
speed, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Now I taken the name number of contact here. This is just a number variable. I make it zero for all of them, decimal and default value. Okay. It's just like a normal variable, which is number type. Okay.
Okay.
Which is a number. Now in the assignment operator, what actually I did, I'll get the contact, right? Get or that is coming from get contact, right? Associated to account id, right? Where it should update, correct? Now it will assign one contact at a time. Okay. Like on one contact at a time on this variable. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Like now it will assign the equal count. There's three value: equal, add, subtract. Equal count means the count which I'm getting it just keeping one record on this number of contact, one contact record on this. Okay, which means that. Okay. Now click on the assignment operator. This already done. That's update operation. Yeah, here I just chosen that account because in the prior section we have contact, right? Now ID, it's account ID equals to the ID of account object. Now number of contact is the field, is the number field. So whenever it creates one record, it will store in this number of contact. Whenever a new contact is created, it will store on this number of contact field, which will increase the count of number of contact on the account object. You want to check? Let me show you. I'm just not talking in just normal way. I'll just explain. Let me refresh this first. Hmm. One second. Now here you see, I'll just do the debug and show it to you. Like I click on the debug, like it check the create, and I'll just choose any this one 7 flow, run it. It should update the count basically. It is running on that rollback mode, so it will not update on the real record. It will update on so update over here only, not on the real record because it is in the rollback mode. Okay. Now you see the number of contact will be increased here. If you see here, number of contact is 5. Got it?
Yeah.
Previously it was coming blank. If you noticed in the prior lecture, now it is coming 5. Any question? Hina, Kajal, Suraj, Shravan,
No, no.
Shubham.
I am
I
fair.
know you are new to that. I'll explain it. Satyam. No question? Okay. Satyam, any question you have? Satyam Kumar, can you hear me? I think he is on mute.
No, Shubham.
The question? You're getting it? Okay. Perfect. So, guys, what we have to do, Shubham, for you, the task is just complete the flow now. What exactly the flow? Be on the call and just do the Google search and try to understand what basically Salesforce is. Okay, I'll come into that after this class. Just be with me. Okay. Meanwhile, you can keep yourself mute and then you can check for what Salesforce basically is. I'll explain everything from the scratch. Okay. Okay. Now, Shravan, any question? Kajal, no
No.
question. Okay, perfect. So now, now new requirement I am bringing over here because you know why I'm practicing record trigger a lot. It's quite important. Like you cannot say that I know everything in record trigger. Record trigger is all about how good you are in logic, how you are good with the Salesforce flow tools. Then only you'll understand, right?
Yeah,
So
right.
my question here is create one object called transaction. Okay. Give the label of transaction name, text type, and bank. These two fields keep on that. Now, what you have to do whenever the transaction record is created, you should create a task record. Getting it? What I'm trying to ask?
Subham, please type the chat box questions
Okay.
and
Okay. Create the name transaction custom object. Transaction custom object. Two fields. Any two fields. With let's make it easy to two field. One is transaction name, transaction mode, and transaction type. Okay, transaction type transaction bank name. That's it. Bank name. Bank name. Okay. Now the requirement is whenever we create a new transaction, create 8 tasks. Okay, guys. Create a transaction custom object with two fields: transaction type, and bank name. Other one, whenever we create a new transaction record, create a task record. That is the scenario. Okay. You know, this scenario I yesterday came across with one of the customers requirement, and I helped him to do that. But I want you guys to try. Okay. Please try, and I'll keep myself mute. Meanwhile, you guys can try, and the moment I'll come back with the meeting, I want everybody to try this. Suraj, Hina, Kajal, Satyam, individually, and I just want your approach on this. Okay, I'll keep myself mute for now, and I'll come back after 15 minutes. Okay, and I'll stop the recording. You guys can try and be on the call and try. It's not like I am on mute. You will not try. You have to try. Okay, you with me,
okay.
guys? Yeah. Everybody, I want everybody's reply on this. Okay. For example, Kajal, Hina, Suraj, Satyam. You guys, please try this.
Yeah,
Okay,
sure.
sir.
I'm keeping myself mute. Okay. It's not for you now. Let me discuss with Shubham. Okay. You guys can try. Yeah, Suraj, you have any question?
No, no.
Okay, perfect. So Shubham, can you hear me? I'm just discussing with Shubham. You guys can mute yourself. Okay. Let me discuss with Shubham. You can keep yourself mute. Okay. Shubham Singh, can you please reply? Brother, can you hear me? Hello, Shubham. I believe you're speaking on mute. So I just wanted to know, did you search anything related to Salesforce? What exactly Salesforce is? What's the use of Salesforce? Why it came into the market? Shubham, I think he is not audible. Okay. The moment he is back, please tell him to reply. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Shubham. So I was saying you checked what actually Salesforce is and what's the use of Salesforce. Why it is. I told you to check on the Google. Did you check?
Okay, sir. I'm checking.
Okay. Basically, Salesforce is a CRM, customer relationship management. Okay. And it is a cloud-based platform. Okay. It follows it contains three kind of cloud computing things like IaaS, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Okay. So this is basically Salesforce, and the Salesforce came in 1999, I believe, and the CEO of Salesforce is Mark Benioff. Okay, so I want to tell you like why Salesforce is important. The moment Salesforce first time came into the market, it came with a one product called Sales Cloud. Okay, now if you say sales, sales is a very important thing to run the business. If sales will not happen, the company will shut down, right? So so that's the thing. So everything you can track it in Salesforce. So first of all, the thing the Salesforce bring, that is we called Sales Cloud. Okay, just a second.